Hey everybody, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 2022 Chevrolet Suburban in the Premier trim. That is one above the LT and one below the High Country. A lot of loaded features here. As you can see, a beautiful midnight blue exterior here. Clean Carfax, one owner, just under 69,000 miles. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Starting in the front here, you can see this large grille here, chrome, gold bow tie, high intensity headlights. You do have LED fog lights right here, okay? Nice chrome piece on the lower bumper fascia. All the way around to our like new tires here at All Things Automotive. We like to do like new tires, brakes, rotors, and a fresh PA state inspection, along with a fresh oil change, so that way you don't have to put the money into the wearables shortly after you purchase it. Let's go ahead and take a look into the passenger side. But before we get inside, I did want to mention you do have turn signal indicators integrated in the mirror cap. Nice two-tone chrome and high gloss black here. And you will have two keys for your added convenience. They are proximity keys, so you can unlock and lock that with just the push of a button. Looking into the interior, as you can see, nice interior in this Premier trim. You have a couple elements working for you here. You have your leather, white stitching, faux wood grain, brushed aluminum, and that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this very beautiful vehicle. All right, guys, let's take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet. You can find these in the glove box of all of our vehicles here at All Things Automotive. All the front and rear tires are 13/32. That's a brand new tire, guys. All the rear and front pads are good to go. Again, we do not skimp on reconditioning here at All Things Automotive. So let's keep walking around and we'll go into the middle seats here. Looking in here, you will see you have nice, comfortable captain's chairs with plenty of room for the third row access, LED lighting all the way around. You will have climate control back here with a flow-through center console up above as well. And you do have power back here as far as micro USB and USB. And these seats are heated, guys, so your rear passengers will be connected, charged, and comfortable at all times. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, the Premier is equipped with a liftgate assist right here. So hit that button, stand back and watch that magic happen. Massive space back here in the cargo area here, guys. Even with your third row up, you have plenty of space back here. You have some storage underneath with your jack and accessories. Spare tire is down below. So we'll go ahead and hit this button. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the driver area. Taking a look into the driver area, you will notice a few things here. You will have memory seats, so you have two driver profiles there, and easy and exit entrance from GM Chevrolet. That's going to allow you to exit and enter the vehicle very easily. I can demonstrate that here in just a bit, but you have all your power door locks, window adjustments, etc. You will have power seat adjustments on the driver and the passenger seats. A lot of features right here before we go ahead and get into the vehicle. You will have electronic parking brake. Bunch of safety features here as far as lane keep assist. These are your proximity sensors. You can turn them on and off. Traction control on and off. Downhill descent control, auto start and stop. You have a voltage selector there for your power. Right down here you will have your four-wheel drive selector here with your modes, and we'll go through that in just a moment. Lamp selector again, brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. So finally, let's go ahead and take a look. We'll go ahead and start. Taking a look at the key fob, like I said earlier, you will receive two keys for your added convenience here at All Things Automotive. Briefly, I'll go over these features: lock, unlock, remote start, and then you have your lift gate right there with a panic button, but don't panic, everything is okay. I'm gonna set those right there in one of my mini storage compartments, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot on the brake, start it up. You'll be met by nice graphics from Chevrolet. And like I said before, just over 58,000 miles, a little closer to 59,000. All right, guys, a couple features on the steering wheel here. Another safety feature here, you will have front end collision, cruise control, and to the right, you'll have your pad, and that's gonna control your center cluster there so you can display all kinds of information there. And then right here is your Bluetooth connectivity, so you can be hands-free via Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the infotainment center. All right, let's take a look at this very large touchscreen display here. Okay, you will have Google Maps, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and every feature pretty much under the sun, customizable to you. You have your shift selector. They went away with the gear shift here. I'm not sure in what year. Very easy to use, as you can see. I have my foot on the brake. I'm just gonna push up on that for my reverse. It's gonna bring up your nice, clear backup camera. Nice, crisp, clear display there, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in park. So you can access some of your climate controls in here or down below. There's some hard radio buttons there. You will have dual climate control as well, so all your passengers can be comfortable. I did want to mention you do have heated and ventilated front seats and a heated steering wheel as well. And that is all down here. You can lock your rear climate control for the kiddos and everything like that. Packed with features, guys. You have micro USB, USB, and a 12 volt, and you even have wireless charging down below, followed up by 2 cup holders. Okay, a nice deep center console here and armrest. So that's going to come up just like that. Plenty of storage, and another micro USB and USB. Okay. Nice little storage compartment right there as well. So just packed with goodies here today. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. All right, guys, under the hood you will find a 5.3 liter V8, nice and clean, clear of any exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. That is a nice, healthy sounding 5.3 V8 engine. In this last portion, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Keep in mind this still is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you can see some light wear and tear from the road. Okay, looks like they didn't put a chip guard on there, and you can do that because we have a fully stocked CarQuest here along with our sales department. Okay, all the way down on the chrome, looks good. No chipping or cracking or anything like that. Again, front bumper and the lower bumper fascia, you will have some slight blemishes, but nothing that stands out. Okay, no curb rash on that wheel. Again, tires are 13 32nds all the way around, but other than that, great shape. Okay, the running boards, hard plastic and the chrome trim all the way around. No chips or cracks or anything like that. Even on the mirror cap, you do have some slight blemishes there, but nothing outstanding. You're going to have some light blemishes, and I am on the passenger side door here, the front door. You will have some light scratches here and some light blemishes on the middle door here, as you can see. I'm going above the passenger side rear wheel. Everything looks good. Again, these are pre-owned vehicles, guys, okay? And they are priced accordingly. You will see some scarring here on that hard plastic trim before you get to the cargo area. That's going to happen. Okay, cargo in, cargo out. Coming up the driver's side, wheels are in good shape all the way up to the luggage rack. No dents or dings that I see, but you will have some small blemishes. But the best option for you is just to come out and see it. But we like to do that for people who live further away. We are transparent here at All Things Automotive. Maybe a little ding on that door trim right there on the chrome trim piece. Door handles, no chipping or cracking or anything like that. In the interior, okay, I didn't see any stains, tears, definitely no odors or anything like that. Headliner is clear. So really good shape on this vehicle. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. Takes 5 minutes to get pre-approved, and yes, we take trade-ins. Okay, and make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage. This one will have some left from Chevrolet, but to extend that coverage for your peace of mind, we do offer extended coverage. Again, my name's Trent with All Things Automotive, so come on out. 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a beautiful day.